Hello, welcome to Bella Nonna Design Studio. Today I'm here to introduce you to our second block of the month called Homegrown Veggies. Now this block of the month is actually done in rows and we have 5 different veggies. So we're going to start with just explaining the quilt a little bit and how it's put together. First of all the backgrounds are done in strip piecing. So as you see, you have a 40-inch strip here of pieced background. And I'd like to start with showing you how to do that. Now I'm going to show you how to piece the backgrounds. And this is the carrot background with the 5 dirts and then the sky. So first of all, we'll start with this one and we will pin it and stitch it with the 1/4-inch seam. And there's a really specific way to stitch these so that they come out straight and flat and your long piece isn't curved. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to press the seam. First, while the seam is flat like you've sewn it, you put your iron on it and just press it, and that gets all this holes filled in and makes it nice and flat. And you turn your strip up, you take the side of your iron and you very carefully and nicely press that seam. And that's how you'll press all the seams. Another important thing to remember in doing these backgrounds to make them nice and flat and straight is to sew each seam in a different direction. So when I pinned this and put it in my machine, I sewed it this way. So I sewed from my left to my right. So now when I do this seam, I want to sew it from my right to my left. And so when I put it in the machine to stitch, I will flip it over and stitch it this way. So just remember that each seam is stitched in the opposite direction from the seam before it.